You may know or have gotten the impression that digital You may know or have gotten the impression that digital art is my main focus, but there are also many traditional art mediums I love to use. One of these is oil pastels. I've tried brands that really just seem like glorified crayons, but the kind I really like is this brand Pentel. You can layer them to create colorful drawings that look like paintings. This is great because getting out actual paints is a lot of effort. Another thing I find really satisfying and great is tan paper. If you get a half-tone sketchbook, a white gel pen, and a simple black pen, you can have so much fun with it. When you add both lightness and darkness to the paper, it really pops and looks so much cooler than using plain white paper. If you make a drawing and give it a white outline, it looks like a cool sticker. Why wouldn't you want that? Drawing with these materials just makes me so happy. You should try it. One other thing I like to use is watercolors. You may not have had the best experience with watercolors in the past, and honestly same. I remember stepping away from a watercolor painting to let it dry and coming back to a blurry mess. The first important thing is getting watercolor paper, which unlike other paper is actually meant to get wet and won't be completely destroyed when you try to paint. Also, probably best to get watercolor just a bit better quality than Crayola, although it's fine if you can't. Crayola should work as well in the meantime. And once you learn how watercolor works, it becomes so much fun. And also, it looks really cool. I hope you'll enjoy trying some of these things. It's a really good idea to try as many art materials as possible, because you'll never know which one might be your new favorite.